For someone who cannot see, technology isn't about trends or features. It's about trust and reliability. It's about knowing what's ahead, what's around, and what matters the most. Smart Vision Glasses Ultra is built with one clear purpose: to support people with visual impairments in their daily lives in ways that are practical, reliable, and respectful. Shaped by 8 years of research, real-world testing, and continuous collaboration with the visually impaired community, it is designed to look like everyday eyewear. No bulky attachments, no odd-looking gadgets. SVG Ultra helps users read text clearly, even offline, guiding them to align the page and hear every word with confidence.
Together with their families, Smith and Gayatri invite you to join their wedding celebration.
Text can also be translated into the language the user prefers, making information more accessible. Moving through unfamiliar spaces can be stressful. SVG Ultra supports safer movement by detecting obstacles and changes in the path ahead.
Stairs ahead, move carefully. Clear path. Door straight ahead. Elevator is in the center.
From identifying currency to recognizing familiar faces, SVG Ultra helps users stay aware of their surroundings without storing personal images or compromising privacy. SVG Ultra supports multiple Indian languages and accents, works both online and offline, and is designed to function reliably in real-world conditions, not just controlled environments. It comes with built-in Bluetooth speakers and noise cancellation microphones, ensuring clear audio interaction even in everyday surroundings. Users can also interact with the device hands-free using a built-in voice assistant to ask questions and receive assistance naturally.
Hey Smarty, take a look and tell me the color of my shirt.
The color of your shirt is yellow.
And in moments that matter most, SVG Ultra includes a built-in emergency mode, helping users reach trusted contacts quickly with location support. SVG Ultra, made in India, built for the visually impaired, created for independence.